Ready? All right. Let me go over there. Careful with the flooring, some of it's really soft. Oh, there's 2 entrances. Yeah, there's an opening in the back. Look at that. It's a bar top. It's like a rat's nest. Hazelnut? Huh. For coffee? That sounds good right now, actually. Yeah. Be careful where you step, because right there where you're at, there's a soft spot. Whoa. Could've sworn I heard something. Whoa. Gotta be careful. Look at the old shower curtain. Wow. That's smart. I guess if you found an easier way out. Whoa. What? Looks like he's just after things in a hurry. It's a bunch of receipts. Yeah, I'm gonna record that. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Wow, that's cool. Doesn't that room have a musky smell?
This room?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit. I wouldn't doubt that,
Someone stays here?
Yeah. 'Cause, I mean, that's nice enough to sit in.
And get an outdoor that view right there.
Yeah, and you have pillows. And the pillows have like...
Did you hear that?
That's my stomach.
Okay. Thought I heard
Pillows
something.
have Spider-Man on them.
Yeah, it is kind of
So
modern.
that has to be like semi-new.
Mm-hmm. I found an easier way out and in
Oh, okay.
over there.
Okay.
So you don't have to struggle. Step over here. You're good right there. Yep, there you go. And you're fine over here. Look at that. Some bar top with the leather. Kinda wanna try the app in here. Okay, sorry.
I want to take a picture.
Yeah.
What's that?
Oh, that's for to flavor up the coffee. It's hazelnut.
Oh.
Yeah, right? I'm actually put some coffee in the car right now too. Okay, wow, this thing is like here. I'm actually gonna sit everyone. Sorry guys, I know that was kinda awkward. Angle. There's like rat droppings. Let's do this
And this looks like
organized.
not bad, yeah.
There's clothes in the other room where it's folded.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but it looks
I
like
know,
that's
someone has to
topped over. Here we go.
live in there.
So hello. Is there anyone alive, a human, that's staying in here? Whoa. Is there someone staying here? Yes. Is it a man?
What happened here? Hello?
Was that you knocking?
Oh no, it's not me.
Is there anything around me right now? Behind me? Me? Who stays here? Are you starting to feel weird?
Do you want to tell us anything?
What am I feeling right now? Hello?
I heard my footsteps over there.
Okay. Are you able to let us know that you're here by knocking on the walls or moving something? Do you want us to leave? Yes.
Okay.
Okay, we're leaving.
Thank you for being respectful.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. I got goosebumps.
This whole land, I pray for everything to be uplifted, dude. I don't know about you, but that was kind of... Alright, let's
The
go.
footsteps were interesting.
Oh, man. Oh, look at that.
Whoa, did you see the mirror?
Trust me. Look, even got some weird... Ah. What mirror? Yeah, the mirrors, the looks, that's what I was noticing when we were doing the necro right now. It's at this mirror.
What the heck?
Did something whisper over there?
I'm moving. Goodbye.
I knew I heard that. I knew I heard something whispering. Dude, okay. Alright, I think we got plenty of footage in this place. I'm telling everyone, so the whole explorations you're gonna have, I'm gonna do my best to see if you guys could always have an option of doing 360 or going with the like POV. It all depends on what you like. Some people want to, you know, really look around, and other people want to just see the point of view, which is totally cool. I like both. I really enjoy both. I like the movie scene.
This platform so much.
I did, my bad. And the 360 is like you could look anywhere, which is awesome. So welcome to the future, everyone. Yeah, this is much better than where we came from on the other side of this place, but great that it was open. Okay.
Oh look, there's like sandals right now.
Yeah, did you see this? Like a huge rug. It's like a lot of random stuff that's just laying around.
I'm not recording anymore.
Oh, you're not recording? Do you need a new battery? Are you good? Probably in a few?
Yeah.
You want to check out that mill?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna take a couple pictures.
Okay, okay, do your thing. Whoa, that's cool. So I thank everybody for stopping by.
Yeah, look.
This is great. What? I mean, we enjoy this. And I'm glad you guys enjoy it too. And
Someone was just stay here. This is like set up for like a campfire. Right?
yeah, oh yeah, and then you have that right there, the grill, so you could be able to cook.
Oh yeah, and
The tongs?
yeah.
Definitely. Yeah, and they had a place right there to kick it. So definitely. Desert Center. Or as the locals. Oh, at night must be creepy. You know, you never know what could be out here. But thanks to Desert Steve, because of him and his wife, this place wouldn't exist. Like old benches. Oh, there's a mill just beyond the shrubs. You can see it peeking out from the top right there. Wow. Alright guys, I'm gonna pause it for a second, save some battery, and we'll get to that place. Alright. The door's open. Whoa. Maybe, maybe not. It kind of looks like someone could be staying there, but take a look in here. Ready? Oh. Now if I do go in here, whoops. If I do go in here, how do I get up?
Is there a layout?
I would have to really pull myself up. That's cool. I wonder if that's open. See, Mr. Ragsdale wanted a bunch of palm trees out here. Look at all this. Whoa. Excuse me for that quick movement. I want to make sure I get the hawk and the crow on the screen for you guys. when I heard someone cough over there. There's another one. Oh, looks like there's no entrance to that. Yeah. That's cool.
I wonder if we could climb
Want me to climb up there?
on. Well, no. I'm just saying, like.
I'd give it a shot.
Look
With the rust on the top, yeah. I'm not down. There's the other side. That's cool. I wonder what they had here. Alright guys. Check this out. Wow, that thing is really bright. Alright, we're gonna get back to you in a bit. I wanna see what else we could find.